What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas Eve, Vlogmas day number 24. Today, this is going to be the last ball comparison of the year. We're going to be comparing, honestly, probably two of the strongest balls that have come out this year, the Jackal Onyx and the Physix Blackout. If you guys want to see more of this in 2025, please let me know in the comments. This is the second to last video of the Vlogmas series. And I just want to say thank you so much for all the support. It has not been easy to do this, but I think I want to do it again next year. Maybe we'll do it a little bit bigger, a little bit better. And again, just thank you so much. So yeah, we're going to be comparing the Jackal Onyx and the Physix Blackout. They're both big asymmetric balls. The Jackal Onyx is an asymmetrical solid, while the Physix Blackout is an asymmetrical pearl. They both have the same finish on them, and the layouts are exactly the same, being 5.5 by 4.5 by 4. Let me know in the comments, are you gonna get this Jackal Onyx when it releases? Do you have the Physix Blackout? What's going on? Keep me updated. Guys, honestly, also for Christmas, all I want, I don't need you to send me any gifts. I don't need you to send me any money for Christmas. All I want is for you to hit that subscribe button and help me out. And if you did that for me, if you are a new subscriber, let me know in the comments that you subscribed and you said Merry Christmas, and I would really, really appreciate it. We're gonna see you here at South Point on the lanes. We'll see you in a second. All right, first shot of the video here, we're gonna start in the Physix Blackout. We're in a fresh house shot here. We're gonna be pretty far left here to start. We'll throw one or two shots of the Physix Blackout, then the Onyx Jackal. Yeah, that looks pretty good. If I had to guess right now, I'm gonna say that the Physix Blackout, because it is a pearl, it is gonna be a little bit more responsive down lane, but I think as far as the hook potential, we're gonna be talking about something that's pretty similar comparing the two. All right, that was a pretty good shot to start. We're gonna throw one more, same spot, and then we'll go right to that same spot with the Jackal and see what the differences are. Missed right by a mile. So I missed right by a mile, but it's still recovered. We're actually gonna just use that because I wanna see if I miss right with the Jackal, what kind of recovery, if any, we get. So we're gonna reset this, stop recording, and start right after. All right, first shot here with the Jackal Onyx, obviously comparing it to that Physix Blackout. For the first shot here, we're gonna go right to the same spot and see what the differences are. If I have to make a move, I definitely will. So the first thing that comes to mind is how much smoother it is. Front to back, it feels the same. Like, I don't think one is that much earlier than the other, but I feel like the way the Jackal comes off the friction is a little bit rounder when compared to that Physix Blackout. So let's just wipe the oil here and one take it like we did with the Physix. But it's kind of like what I was expecting. I was expecting the hook potentials to be fairly similar, but front to back, or how it comes off the friction, is the biggest difference. Yeah, the Physix is definitely more poppier when compared to this Onyx Jackal. It's very smooth. So I think that if you're looking for which one is the stronger one of the two, I think that they're about the same. I think that they're hooking at about the same part on the lane, and I think that, I know I'm standing in the same spot with both. But if you need a motion that's a little bit more quicker, then you go to the Physix Blackout. If you want something a little bit smoother, go with the Jackal. And not by a lot, like they're still both very early, very smooth bowling balls. All right, back here into the Physix Blackout. Again, I don't think you can go wrong with either one of these if you're looking for a bigger asymmetric ball. Oh! See, I thought that was pretty good. I'm gonna reset this 10 pin and throw the Jackal. I think that based on that shot especially, I think that the Jackal might end up being a little bit stronger than the Physix Blackout, because I think that the Physix, or I think that the Jackal strikes from there. So this is the Jackal right here. Yeah, I think the Jackal might be a little bit stronger in the mid lane, where the Physix Blackout's a little bit more down lane. So I'm starting to see a little bit more differences between the two. Bigger angles, Physix, shallower angles, Jackal. Yeah, so right now I'm thinking that the Physix Blackout might be a better house shot ball, and the Jackal might be the better sport shot option. See, I get that right? And it comes off it really, really nice. Let me keep it rolling and try to get that Jackal right and see what this looks like. So I'm gonna try to get that Jackal going a little bit to the right here and see how it comes off of it. So that wasn't quite as far to the right. So I'm gonna reset this, and I'm gonna try to get that Jackal right a little bit. Because man, this Jackal's making a case as being the better one of these two. Let me wipe the oil. And by the way the oil comes off of this Jackal is like, it's wild. All right, sorry we got cut off there. I'm gonna focus and get this ball going here to the right and see how it comes off of it. Yeah, I think that the Jackal is better suited for more direct lines to the pocket, where the Physix Blackout is a better option when I'm trying to really shape the ball. All right, back in the Jackal, I'm gonna close that angle a little bit. No need to really open them up that much with this ball. Yeah, this Jackal just likes the volume, right? Where the Physix Blackout almost prefers getting to the friction. All right, sorry, no more one takes. They keep getting cut off. So we're gonna go to the Physix Blackout and keep it in and see what this looks like here. So I got that right, but you can see just how much more it comes off of it when compared to that Onyx Jackal. All right, last shot of the video here. We're gonna end it here in the Onyx Jackal, comparing it to the Physix Blackout. Bang. I mean, listen, I said this earlier in the video, you can't go wrong with either one of these bowling balls. Both of these are really, really good asymmetric bowling balls. I think if I had to be hypercritical, the Jackal's a little bit earlier, a little bit smoother, where the Physix Blackout's a little bit cleaner, prefers the larger angles, definitely more responsive down lane. Guys, we'll see you tomorrow in the final video of the Vlogmas series. We'll see you next time.